Hello my friends, welcome to this video, which is part of the amazing series of the full-fledged reorganization of this studio. This short video will show you how to use a racking bar for removing some old boards which are on the wall. Let's go. And I'm taking the racking bar, which is in my toolbox, so this is the small one. I insert my racking bar on the side, but it's not even worse because it's totally rotten. And this goes directly to the container park. Little moment of decoration behind these boards. There was this wonderful wallpaper from a time which I would be curious even to provide an expertise for. But of course we can't do much with this except burning it. Here it is by far more persistent. Racking bar, everything is about the angle. Wow! It's good wood here, held for years. Now we are cleaning the wall with a broom for seeing if there are still some nails to remove. This short video is now finished. So one important thing to keep in mind is that for the racking bar, what is important is the angle for which you're using it. Now we have removed the boards. Of course, there were also some nails that I couldn't remove with the plier. And so for this, I used a grinder. So see you in a minute for how to remove nails from a wall.